Here are some great new finds from my latest trip to the Dollar Tree. Let's start with Crafter's Square, and new are these Dreamcatcher kits. These would make great Christmas gifts, and I think that they would be a fantastic option for teens' gifts for friends. And although it's still summer, fall is in the air. Already you'll find a lot of super cute yard signs and wall decor pieces. And be sure to pick up a few of these bar signs, as they are a very versatile crafting supply item. I absolutely love these tabletop pieces. 3 pumpkin-y pieces, is that a word? And these jar-shaped pieces. Oh my gourd, I love fall. Maybe the best saying ever. And fall doesn't stop there. They also have out lots of pumpkin picks, little craft kits, blank wood pieces, and embellishment and bows. Among other things, I picked up a few packs of these scarecrow hats to use as snowman hats in my Christmas crafts. These ceramic trays are adorable, and these ceramic signs can be used as place setting markers or to label those yummy dishes you set out for your fall festivities. But my favorite thing might be these adorable pumpkin string lights. And oh my gourd, these bead strings. Not only are the accent pieces super cute, but they are really long. Such a great value. So Barbie is everywhere, even at the Dollar Tree. I could not believe that they had actual Mattel brand accessories that make the perfect stocking stuffer, because it's never too early to start thinking about Christmas. These puppies are adorable. And back in the day when I was crazy for Barbie, I remember shoes being a highly coveted accessory. In addition to the accessories are these furniture pieces, including a toilet, plus beds and chairs and love seats. And while this bathtub might be a bit small for Barbie, the faucet and the shower are next level. And it comes with a rubber ducky. Christmas aside, it is back to school season, and these desk organizers are great for kids and parents, and I love the subtle pastel colors. And I'm assuming lockers are still a thing, because these magnetic whiteboards and corkboards are perfect for keeping notes organized. Whether you're focused on back to school, looking forward to fall, or even thinking about Christmas, the Dollar Tree has something for everyone. If you thought this was a Koality video, please give it a thumbs up and consider joining the Koala crew by subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you have a Koality day.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.